Okay, this is the west elevator at Myles Brand Hall, Indiana University. And we have, it looks like a Dover. 3. And there's no indicator. That's wonderful. Guess we'll just watch the button go out. Okay, this thing sounds pretty questionable. You want to send it down to LL? All right, cab view. Well, already I can see a flickering light, so that's not a good sign. Cab's okay for the most part.
Yeah.
Let's see, older traditional fixtures. Phone right there. There's the certificate. And I think we'll take one more ride. And door close does not work. 2,500 pound capacity. No indicator, so I'm just gonna watch the button go out. And that clunk did not really sound too good. Here up at 3. I think we'll end off on 1. You wanna send it down? What?
Does work.
What does?
Door closed does work.
Oh, I guess it's just finicky. Well, your overall thoughts?
Not the best one, but
It makes pretty questionable noises, that's for sure. And no indicator, that is a fail. But here we are at 1.